Hey, I'm Rachel and Ngom from she'smakinganimpact.com, and today I want you to think about how can you attract your tribe and start repelling people away from you. So I've had experts that told me that I shouldn't post about God in my business, that I might offend somebody and I might lose their business. And I had someone get really, really mad at me that I posted about my faith in my free Facebook community and they left. And here's the deal. I'm still going to post about God. And two things is, one, I don't have a business without him. So I'm going to sing his praises all day long. And two, I'm attracting the right people. If someone's going to get really, really, really angry and upset, maybe that's not somebody that I actually want to work with, right? So I'm attracting the people who get me and repelling the ones who don't. Don't be afraid to be bold and to be you. The ones that you're meant to work with, your tribe, are gonna stick around. So attract and repel. I promise you, you're gonna love your business so much more and you're gonna feel so much more freedom if you're just yourself. Okay, so make sure to head to the blog she'smakinganimpact.com for tons of free resources to help you build your business, especially using Pinterest. So go check that out and I'll talk to you later.